ibig sabihin, the threat of a surge is always there. But right now, the situation is, yung reproduction number natin, as of yesterday sa NCR is 1.01.
Mhm.
So, before ECQ, nasa 1.9 halos siya. And now, it's almost 1. It's essentially 1. Nagkaroon tayo ng 1 week negative growth rate. Actually, 2 weeks negative growth rate sa NCR based on yung weekly tracking na ngayon. Maliit lang naman, it decreased by 7%. Pero this shows that yung momentum has uh, possibly changed. Pababa na yung momentum natin. And hopefully, kaya nating masustain yan para patuloy-tuloy. We can try to control the cases and then yeah, and then we can think of maybe possibly loosening some restrictions. Pag nag-loosen tayo ng restrictions, we have to keep in mind kung ano yung primary transmission mode ng virus. I mean, that's the way to go. That's how we balance yung economy and yung public health.
In the time that I've gotten to know you and how you do things, I know na every time you change the status or the level of quarantine, there is a subsequent change in the data or outcome. Now, how long before we are sure or we know the effect of an MECQ? Kasi marami nag-aabang na makabalik tayo sa GCQ. Eh ako sinasabi ko, alam na ba natin ang naging resulta because nag-shift tayo from ECQ, enhanced community quarantine, to modified enhanced community quarantine.
Yes, and that's a good point, Sito. So ngayon, it's been more just a little over 1 week ng MECQ, and I think we have to give it a little more time. Siguro sufficient na yung by end of April, which is next week na rin naman. We will know yung full effects ng MECQ. If the momentum or direction does not change, I think we can confidently say na sustain natin yung gains natin during this MECQ, and we can then we can look at our options